Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog which I can say again randomly taken on a day I thought to shoot. I don't know why, maybe because I'm in a very busy schedule these days. It's a bit tiring sometimes, but this is what I love. Being busy and active in my daily life rather than sitting idle, having nothing to do, feeling bored and inviting silly thoughts. An empty mind is a devil's workshop and it's true. Ever since I started YouTube, I realized this is what I needed in my life. Being really busy. It's not that I was totally free. I don't think any mother is free anytime. At least her mind is fully engaged with some of the other work. But I wanted to be more productive for myself. I wanted to do something that I love to do. And here I am having you all in this happy journey. Thank you so much for all the love and support I have been getting from you all throughout. And a very happy new year to everyone. Let every day be our best day in this new year. Lots of ups and downs in this pandemic, but let's not lose hope and let's bring in the positivity. I have a new resolution starting from tomorrow, which you might have seen in my last video based on health and fitness partnering with ATP. Hope you all are ready for it. Let's make some changes to ourselves this year. I shall link the video below in the description box if you haven't watched it yet. Do follow my Instagram page for the updates. So like every day, it was another beautiful day. My parents-in-law are with us. After the usual morning routine, I began preparing for breakfast, which was dosa and egg roast. I had to quickly upload this video because tomorrow onwards, I will be on a vegetarian diet and it shouldn't be confusing seeing me not preparing something veg. I have challenged myself to be on a veg diet for 1 month. It's mentioned in my previous video. Anyway, today's vlog was in fact shot few days ago. Usually egg roast takes a lot of time because you need to saute the onion for a very long time. But my mother-in-law, who gives us tips for easy cooking and to reduce the time in kitchen, told me to cook the onion in a pressure cooker. She does the same with biryani and it's much easier and takes less time. The egg roast recipe is my mother's and adding the tip from my mother-in-law. So it's a blend from both. And thanks to my food processor to thinly slice the onion for me and I don't have to lose my tears for that. In a pressure cooker, add some coconut oil. Add in the sliced onion. Some salt. Give a quick mix. Cover the cooker and lock the pressure. Keep on medium-low flame and cook for 2 whistles. The dosa batter was prepared a day before to ferment well. I had some batter left over from the day before, so mix that into yesterday's batter. Adding some salt. The taste of dosas are something really different when prepared on an iron pan. And I love to cook in iron pans and pots. It's much healthier and food tastes better too. Seasoning iron pans are a bit tricky. Every time after I cook, I oil them. I guess that's the only way to maintain it well. Of course, you need to season it before you start cooking if the pans are not bought pre-seasoned. I buy only pre-seasoned from online. Earlier, I used to buy assets from shops and it takes so much time to season and wait so long to start cooking in it. I shall provide few links of the pans and kadais I have used at home, which is also pre-seasoned. But that doesn't mean you can leave it as such after cooking. You need to wash it well. Apply some oil in it and leave it till you use the next time. The pressure is released from the pressure cooker. You can see the onion is really soft and cooked really well. You can transfer to a karai or you can continue it in the cooker itself. It's up to you. Switch on the flame and keep roasting for some more time, around 2-3 minutes on high flame. Add curry leaves and some spice powders. Here for a color, I'm adding a mix of Kashmiri red chilli powder and normal red chilli powder. Then goes in some turmeric powder and garam masala powder. Mix really well and let the raw taste of the spices leave. I had boiled 6 eggs. You may cut in half and add. Here I'm giving slits onto each and adding as a whole. For lunch, it was ghee rice and chicken curry. It's our all-time comfort food, but not prepared frequently. I prepare these and even biryanis once a week or when we have someone at home. So for that, soak in some jeera masala rice in water. I don't give tea or coffee to my kids every time. On some days they insist to have, and this day Rehan wanted black coffee, so prepared a cup of coffee for him. On this day, I started preparing for lunch soon so that it gets over quickly and we all can go from the kitchen as soon as possible. The weather here is quite funny these days. Morning and evenings are cold, but afternoon it's really sunny. So staying for a long time in the kitchen is not practically easy. Ghee rice can be easily prepared. Heat some ghee and saute some onions for just a minute. I drained the rice and fried it a bit in the ghee till the rice gives a crackling sound. Added hot water. Earlier I used to add the whole spices into the ghee, which gives a strong flavor of the spices to the dish. But these days I add it later to the water and it gives a mild flavor. Adding coriander leaves enhances the aroma of the rice. Had some chopped carrots left in the fridge, quickly mixed into this. Check salt and let that boil first, then you can reduce to very low flame till it's done. If you're cooking this in a pressure cooker, procedure is the same, just a few changes. I reduce half to 1 cup of the needed water I have used here, then pressure cook on medium-high flame for 2 whistles. Open the pressure cooker only after the pressure is released. It saves a lot of energy too. Here I didn't have a big cooker to cook in large quantity, hence using this method. And if the ghee rice is cooked over the traditional oven with firewoods, nothing can beat the taste of it. Anything cooked over the firewood or on the traditional oven we have at home tastes delicious. For the chicken curry, again preparing it in a simple yet delicious way so that it's done quickly yet no compromise on the taste. I made a ground paste of green chillies, ginger, garlic and shallots. Slice some tomatoes. Since I've added enough green chillies, not adding red chilli powder, it goes turmeric powder, coriander powder, salt, garam masala powder, black pepper powder. I love plucking the curry leaves each time I need. It feels really good. The stem itself has lots of flavor in it. Some coconut oil and mix really well. Squeeze the tomatoes. Add chicken pieces and mix again really well. Cover and slow cook this on low flame without adding any water. The chicken itself will release a lot of water. Give a mix to the chicken to check it's not sticking to the bottom. To add to the gravy, a ground paste of roasted coconut is needed. To roast along with the coconut, in goes curry leaves, few coriander seeds, fennel seeds, whole black peppercorns, and coconut oil. Roast till it changes slightly crispy and the coconut is light brown. This is done. Make sure you grind it after it has cooled down or else a mixer lid will come off when you grind. So be careful with that. The chicken is done. For the meantime, switching off the flame. Add the ground paste and let that boil. You may serve it this way or for an extra taste, you can temper with fried shallots, curry leaves and dried red chillies. I had something very urgent after this that I forgot I was vlogging. My father-in-law came in the evening. My youngest brother-in-law is again with us, but his family is at her house as it was vacation time. So he came home late night after his work. It was a busy weekday for all. I couldn't capture any moments of family being together and such. I wake up really early these days as well, and for that I need to go really early to bed to get good sleep. Earlier I used to sit late night, especially for editing works. But these days I can't sit any more late night for any work, which I think is a good habit I have come into. I believe it's a healthy lifestyle I'm in now. My nutritionist used to tell me that I need to be sleeping by 11 at least. Some days I go to bed by 9:30 I remember, and I fall asleep soon. So we all have got into this early sleeping habit which was not in our life a year back. However we tried, our sleep time would be 12. But ever since I'm in this healthy routine with ATP, we have got used to sleep early. I had mentioned in my previous video, it takes 21 days to create a habit. So I hope you all are ready for the challenge with me. Let's do it together, and I'm very much looking forward to have you all. It's just a month challenge which I'm sure you all will love to follow later. I shall give the link to the detailed video about the challenge in my description box. And that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. Happy New Year to everyone once again. Stay safe, stay blessed, take care and bye-bye.